20 Newton. So the reaction is what? Equal to the weight. Take note of this question. They gave us the what? The weight of the body. So if they give you the weight of the body, it means you have been given the reaction. You will not start asking, they didn't give us gravity or the mass, because the reaction and the weight are equal. Now, if you have the force applied this way, this FA means force applied. That's the force you use to pull the body. Then friction has to oppose that applied force, like I said, because it opposes the motion of the two bodies. So this is the frictional force. F subscript arrow means what? Frictional force. Now, I will say something here. At static friction, that's the type of friction. At static or limiting friction, where the object just starts to move, the force applied is always equal to the frictional force. Take note of that. I repeat, at the point of static friction, because that's what they say you look for, the coefficient of static, find the frictional force. We are given the coefficient of static friction. At the point of static or limiting friction, the force applied is equal to the frictional force. Good. So we say that we have calculated the weight, which is equal to the reaction as 20 Newton. We are also given the coefficient of friction as what? 0.4 without unit. I say it has no unit. And they want us to find the frictional force. So which of the equation will be applicable? We use that equation 1. So we say from equation 1, frictional force is coefficient of friction times what? The normal reaction. Remember, I've determined the normal reaction here. So which means frictional force is 0.4 times normal reaction, which is what? 20. If you multiply that out, you will get what? 8 Newton. This 8 Newton is also equal to the what? Force applied. So the force applied here is what? 8 Newton. Why? Because it's at static or limiting friction. In our next class, I will take on a question that involves dynamic friction, so that you know how we will now interpret it. Okay? Please do the classwork and submit it. I will reply you accordingly. Bye for now.